Hi, get out B, C, D practice, and we will work on that together. Remember, we're on the second string now, so find your place, your second string, first and third fingers. Starts open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second line. Repeat. Have fun practicing.